Yeah, absolutely. And we'll find out on Friday. Again, all the parties will be back on Friday, and the judge is going to have to come up with a game plan here. The Commonwealth doesn't recognize a verdict if it hasn't been recorded, and they didn't fill out that verdict form. Does that mean that there was no unanimous decision? It sounds like there was from jurors. You at least need something on the record, right, from the jury foreperson or something, because at some point, if she's ever convicted of murder 2 down the line, which is highly doubtful, the federal government's going to, a federal appeal will come in here and say, all right, this never should have been charged the second time after knowing what they know, right?
Yeah, no, 100%. We're talking form over substance, right? It doesn't matter how they recorded the thing. If they were unanimous on anything, they can easily reconnect, get everybody together in a room. Case is technically, it's not over, right? Because the judge ruled a mistrial, but again, the judge will be happy to say, hey, you know what, actually there was not a mistrial on this charge. Let's everybody get back together and let's see what the evidence are. The defense has to convince the judge that the actual process did not work, and if they convince the judge that the process did not work and there was defects in the actual forms, we're literally talking like paperwork, right?
They just didn't fill it out. I mean, they sat around and they thought, okay, we're deadlocked on this one thing, so we're deadlocked on all.
Yeah. So the judge will bring them back. I don't see it in any part of my imagination that the judge will say, I don't care, I've made my decision, let's move on to another trial. This judge, as if we recall, she kept admonishing that jury to go back into the room. And this is another factor of this. Go back into that room. I'm going to buy you more food. We're going to spend more time. You guys need to really, we've put a lot of witnesses. The state put on witnesses for 28 days. I need you guys to go back. So I don't think this judge is going to balk at kicking out the murder 2, because the second trial will be more streamlined, right? Even if they can kick out the big murder 2 charge. But crazier things have happened. This judge could come in and say, look, I gave you guys every opportunity. You guys are all idiots. I sent you back into the room 3 times, and you still came back and you did not know the definition of a unanimous verdict. And they can come back and say, well, you never gave us the instructions. Hey, crazier things have happened.